Hello traders. Welcome to today's Pairs of the Day update. Let's delve into the latest movements and key factors influencing the British pound, GBP, US dollar, USD, and Japanese yen, JPY. The British pound against the US dollar has found a stable trading range recently. As the markets await key inflation data from both the UK and the US later this week, pound sterling to US dollar is holding steady around crucial technical levels. Recent fluctuations have subsided, with investors now focusing on upcoming economic indicators. Looking ahead, the UK's economic calendar is packed. CPI inflation data is set to be released, with headline inflation anticipated to rise to 2.3% year-on-year. Core CPI is expected to ease slightly to 3.4% year-on-year. These figures will be crucial for understanding the pound's trajectory. The US dollar is weakening against the Japanese yen, with US dollar to Japanese yen dropping to around 147.10. This decline reflects diminishing expectations for a significant interest rate cut by the Federal Reserve. While the chance of a large cut has decreased, a modest reduction remains likely. This week's focus for the US dollar is the Producer Price Index, with core PPI expected to drop to 2.7% year-on-year. If the PPI comes in hotter than forecast, it could impact the Fed's rate cut plans and influence the dollar's performance. The Japanese yen is benefiting from heightened geopolitical tensions in the Middle East. Rising risks, including potential direct conflict involving Iran, are driving safe haven flows into the yen, strengthening its position. Japan's Producer Price Index has risen to 3% year-on-year, aligning with market expectations. This modest increase reflects stable inflationary pressures within Japan's economy, supporting the yen in the current market climate. Now, let's see what technical analysis reveals. Let's look at the charts. Okay, we have opened the 4-hour chart of pound sterling to US dollar. The price is currently trading above the 20-period moving average. The stochastic indicator is moving lower towards the oversold area, suggesting a potential decline. For support and resistance levels, we have identified 1.2725 and 1.2670 as support, with resistance levels at 1.2821 and 1.2882. If the price moves lower, it may find support around 1.2725 and possibly extend down to 1.2670. On the upside, resistance could be encountered near 1.2821 or potentially extend towards 1.2882. Now, let's switch to the 4-hour chart of pound sterling to Japanese yen. The price is currently trading around the 20-period moving average. The stochastic indicator is moving lower towards the oversold area, suggesting a potential decline. For support and resistance levels, we have identified 185.14 and 180.76 as support, with resistance levels at 190.92 and 195.70. If the price continues to move lower, it may find support around 185.14 and possibly extend down to 180.76. On the upside, resistance could be encountered near 190.92 or potentially extend towards 195.70. Please remember to always consider your risk management strategy before entering any positions. That concludes today's update. See you in the next video.